So I'm doing the vinegar bottle to inflate balloon. That's what I looked up for this. It was pretty specific. So it says, use a funnel. We got our janky funnel with our water bottle cap. Got our janky funnel. Our balloon, which I failed trying to do this already, so I have the balloon already filled, as you can see. So it says use 1/3 cup of baking soda. I used less than that because I'm not using that much. Duh. Got our water bottle cleaned out. And we got our vinegar. Last time we failed attempt. What did I use?
Olive oil.
I used olive oil! This is not a good funnel. So now we need to do the vinegar. She'll do 1/3 of it actually instead of doing the 1 cup, which it says. Goes right. So, it's pretty good. Let's just do a little bit more. I want it to be nice and full. It needs to be nice and full for the balloon. The balloon and this baking soda are in a lovely relationship, but they have gone through hard times. And through those hard times, what happens? Move that out of the way. Move this out of the way. I'm not gonna risk it. And through their hard times of marriage and love, they are able to come to an agreement. Wow! It's getting bigger still. That's cool. Dean. I never did this experiment before. You saw that. He knows. I didn't kill myself! That's heavier in my hands. I think there's still more. Science! Experiment. I'm gonna take the stakes up. You okay with that? I'm gonna take the stakes up.
I'm not gonna be here and watch it.
I'm gonna take this to the next level.
Don't you
On guard!
Don't you dare.
On guard! that got. Ugh. I got vinegar on me.
Just fill half. No.
Not all the way.
Coop, fill half the water bottle, because that will be like about the equivalent. You don't even need to waste the funnel. Stop.
So let's get the next balloon. Let's make it orange because it's redheads. Funnel works. Let's get. One. Half one. This is gonna be good, Parker. You think this is gonna be good?
I'm gonna let you find out what's about to happen.
Science is about to happen, like we saw in the first attempt.
Oh, buddy boy, if only you knew.
Hopefully, nothing fails. Science! Whoa! It's going into the balloon! It's going into the balloon! That was a lot! That was a lot! Holy crap! It's bubbling in the balloon! Are you getting this? It's going into the balloon! Holy... Ah! 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 Calm down! Oh my! That was big! Woo!
Not gonna lie, I'm surprised it didn't pop.
I didn't put that much in. 'Cause I'm smart.
Looks at half the water bottle.
I didn't put enough baking soda. No. This has been Science, brought to you by me. Yeah. Just a